All right, so here's the next set of dies. The next set I'm going to share with you are more masculine dies. I really don't have that many to make masculine cards, so I think these next set of dies that I'm getting ready to share with you are perfect for that. All right, so this die right here is really, really neat. It looks like this, and it has 1, 2, 3 layers, and I'm going to show you how many pieces you actually get out of this one die. It's pretty amazing. And then you get this center piece right here, which just cuts out one piece, which is really, really awesome. So let me show you what it looks like cut out. It looks like this. So as you can see, this is the larger piece, if I can get it unstuck. The larger piece looks like that. So it looks like a link chain. And then this is the inner piece that goes inside of it. So it would layer like this. How awesome is that? So you get that piece, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that cut out that you can layer, and that would be fun to cut out in different color cardstock. Lots of ideas there. This is the next 2 layers right here. Really, really awesome. And then this is the smallest little chain right here. So really, really fun die. I really like the way this came out. This is the last piece that cuts out, and this is the center. And it looks like this, and there is that center piece. Looks like that. Really, really cool set to own. So I highly suggest this particular die set as well. All right, moving along, let me show you the next one. The next one is the coffee cup, and it kind of has gears coming out. And it looks like this. Really, really fun die. And then I cut it out so you could see what it looks like. And obviously you could have a lot of fun with that. Really, really unique die. I've never seen anything like this before, so I picked that one up. This next die right here, it looks like it's a bug, and it could possibly be a ladybug. And it has like these little gears. So again, it's more like geared to, like, I think masculine themed type projects. But obviously you can make it girly, like, you know, I could pop a bow on the bug if I wanted to. So really, really cute. I think it's a ladybug, I'm not even sure, but really, really fun. I haven't cut that one out yet. These next few dies I have not cut out, but I just want to share with you what they look like. This one right here, like a little wheel. This is a corner piece, and again, these are all like types of gears, and I think would be awesome for masculine themed projects. This piece right here, I haven't cut this one out, and this one looks really, really awesome, and it looks like clocks. So, and it has some embossing. I wish I would have cut this one out. It looks really, really cool. But yeah, so you could create a card base with that. This next set is like tropical. You have a leaf right here, and these are perfect for summer themed projects or paradise or Hawaiian. And look at the cute little flamingo and a leaf right here. Really, really cute. These next few dies I'm going to show you are Christmas related. So we have the word winter, and again, it's like similar to the ones that I showed you in the first video. So it has the layering piece and then the piece in the middle that says the word winter. This is an ornament, and I believe this is Magical Christmas. I think that's what it is. Let me see. I haven't cut it out yet, but it's a Christmas die, so you can create some really cute ornaments. We've got a cute little stocking, and this is going to be absolutely adorable. I could see putting some little pom-poms on that and cutting it out of some glitter. How super cute would that be? Excuse me. This next set creates little presents and little lanterns, and this would be perfect to go with the little gnome that I shared in the first video. Super, super cute, and they're really tiny. So this would be a really cute embellishment to add with, like, maybe if you have a little bear or a little critter, you can have him holding a present or a small candy cane. So this is gonna be a really fun set to play with. This next set is some leaves, like some holly. And this is another layering piece that are some type of leaf and flower. So it's really small, but it's fun to just have these kinds of pieces to layer on your cards. This next set is a stamp and die set. It looks like this. And this is a Christmas theme one. It says Jingle Bells for you, from and for you, and then Happy 25. Really, really fun set. And it has like the heart candy canes. And then it has a coordinating die set to go with it. So how super cute is that? So this will make a lot of fun projects for Christmas or over the holidays, whatever you celebrate. This next stamp set, it looks like this, and I apologize. Let me just go like that so you can see it a little bit better. This is a beautiful rose stamp set. It says amazing, nice, beautiful day. So I haven't played with this one yet, but this is going to be gorgeous. This would probably be really pretty with watercolors. The next stamp set looks like this, and it's another Christmas stamp set. And it says happy days, it's a magical Christmas, we wish you a. And so you can stamp out the ornaments and put sentiments inside of there. And this looks like you can do some layering with the Christmas bulb, so that will be really, really pretty. So another nice stamp set right there. And then I have another Halloween stamp set, and it looks like this. It says Happy Halloween, Spooky Day. You get some pumpkins, which you can also layer, so you can ink in different colors and do some different techniques like that. Trick or treat, you've got the little claws with the coffin and all these different coffins. Really, really fun. And you've got a pumpkin face and this little piece of wood right here. So really, really fun. I really like the trick or treat. I like the words. So really, really fun set. And then I have a few more to share. This is a really pretty flower set. And again, I haven't cut these ones out, but I wanted to share with you guys because remember, they're gonna have that Brands Week sale. So a lot of these items are gonna be at an additional discount. So take advantage of the sale and get some of these dies that you've been wanting. This is a really pretty leaf die, and again, this would be really, really pretty for layering, and you could take your stamp set and you could cut out the flowers and layer them with the actual die cut leaf. How pretty would that be? And then you got this super cute little hanger. It has little tiny hearts. And then this little bubble blower. I shared this in my previous haul, but since I've already have this die, I'm going to be giving it away. So if you watch this video and the first video that I'm sharing with you, I am going to enter you in for a giveaway, and I'm going to give this die away, and it is open to anybody, international and obviously US. So just leave a comment in the description box below, and I'll do a drawing next week for this particular die since I already have it. And that concludes my AlinaCutle craft haul. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the description box below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure if you didn't watch part 1, you go back to part 1 and watch part 1 and leave a comment on that video as well. That way I know that you've left a comment on both videos so I can enter you into the drawing for this stamps or for this die set. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.